Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a case on Etsy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on Etsy, click the register option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Opening a case on Etsy is a step you might take as a buyer when you encounter issues with a purchase that you haven't been able to resolve directly with the seller. Okay, so now you need to hover to your upper right corner and click on their profile, and from here just click on the purchases and reviews, because this is where you can open a case. For example, the item you receive is significantly different from the description provided in the listing. For example, there are discrepancies in size, color, materials, condition, or other key aspects that were misrepresented. Or for example, the item arrived damaged, defective, or in poor condition, affecting its functionality or appearance beyond reasonable expectations. In my case, I don't have any purchases, but if you do, what will happen is you would be able to see an option that says choose your order. All right, now choose your order and just hover to the option that says help with your order. Now, similarly, reporting a case or reporting a seller here on Etsy, you might want to check that out on our channel. We have a separate video for that. For example, you go to the home and living. For example, this is going to be the item that you wanted to open a case. Now let's look on the custom embroidered pillow. All right, now for example, the item arrived is damaged, defective, or in poor condition, or the seller is unresponsive to your messages regarding your order status, inquiries, or concerns, making it difficult to resolve the issue directly. I need you to go to where it says go to the seller itself. All right, now here you can simply go to the request custom order and choose a reason. For example, if there's a problem with your order, now the first thing you should do is contact the seller directly, because the thing is 50% of the issues here on Etsy has been resolved by just simply talking to the owner itself. All right, if you've already done that, your item hasn't arrived or not as described, you can report that Etsy by opening a case. All right, that's it. And of course, all I'm gonna do for you to be able to open a case, just click the report a problem with their order. Now there are gonna be a lot of options from here, obviously, and all I'm gonna do is just follow and choose your order here. All right, now choose your order. If you're contacted with the seller more than 48 hours, you can choose and open a case to Etsy can help you. If you need more help, okay, with your account here on Etsy, just click on the contact support button here below. All right, what will happen is you would be forwarded here in this option wherein you are going to ask, are you buying on Etsy or are you selling on Etsy? In my case, for example, I'm going to be buying on Etsy. It's gonna be report an item or shop, because you're opening a case, right? And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. And I believe that's that for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.